Snowplows use large blades and salt spreaders to clear snow and prevent ice formation. The air core's barrel can dislodge up to 1500 BPM for the sprinklers and for 1000 BPM. Grinding machines can be classified into several categories. Automatic peeling machines are widely used in the food industry for peeling fruits and vegetables. An automatic string thrusting machine is commonly used in the textile industry, particularly in the production of casual wear that requires a drawstring waist. Glass molding is a process used in industrial settings to create complex shapes. Dough laminators use advanced technology to create uniforms layers in bakery products. Track ballast forms the track upon which railroad ties are laid. CNC computer numerical control machines advanced manufacturing machines. Air hammers are pneumatic tools that can also be used as a tool for setting rivets. FRP pipe filament winding traditionally produces cylindrical and spherical products like chemical and fuel tanks and pipes, pressure vessels, and rocket motor cases. Stump and root grinding machines are tools used to remove stumps and roots from the ground. A rotary tiller is a motorized cultivator that works the soil using rotating tines or blades. Alligator scissors are named for their distinctive jaw-like shape. There are several types of machines used for wrapping pipes, including spiral wrapping machines, stretch wrapping machines, and shrink wrapping machines. It offers a precise and efficient solution for ensuring a longer lifespan and improved durability. Blowtorches used in metal cutting can have up to range of 100,000 to 500,000 or more. The 4-nozzle wall painting machine is a smart and efficient tool for large-scale painting projects, capable of simultaneously spraying for different colors with precise paint distribution and automatic height adjustment. The Comflex high-speed wire braiding machine produces tightly braided sleeves around a central core. With up to 144 carriers at 400 meters per minute, its advanced control systems ensure precise tension and speed adjustments. Coiling a full strap takes less than 10 seconds with this tool. A shovel attachment allows the car to be used for snow removal, excavation, and other tasks. Patty forming machine are specialized used to produce uniforms and consistent patties. The process of making vinyl records is complex and requires a high level of skill and expertise. However, it is still used today to create high-quality analog recordings. They are highly prized by audiophiles and music collectors. Copper induction coils use electromagnetic induction to heat or melt metal parts with high efficiency and precision. The KMS-TBS-1000 dishwashing machine is highly efficient, using only 35 liters of water for all-day use. Power hammers are mechanical forging hammers that use an electrical power source to raise the hammer preparatory to striking and accelerate it into the work being hammered. They are also called open die power forging hammers. The links are spaced and curved so they can lay flat.